If your garage door opens at night by itself, don't close it again. It started in quiet US suburbs, late night, everyone asleep. A loud sound wakes someone up. The garage door is opening slowly. No car moving, no remote pressed, no power issue. They press the button to close it, the door stops, then opens again, wider this time. Security cameras show something strange. The garage door only opens when the house lights are off and only when one person is home. One homeowner stayed awake to test it. He turned on the lights, the door stayed closed. He turned them off, the door opened instantly. Police reports found no break-ins, no damage, no system errors, but technicians discovered one setting. The garage sensor activates when it detects movement inside the garage. The final recording shows the door opening before anyone entered.